Jai Hind everyone, welcome to another video class. I hope that you all are fine and healthy as well. So let's start with today's topic. In the same continuation of the chapter, coal and the petroleum, we already have discussed about the destructive distillation of the coal as well. So let's recapitulate everything in a short. First we will talk about the destructive distillation. So what was the destructive distillation which was? It is actually a decomposition of the substance. Here we take the coal. We will take it into the pieces and in a closed container we take it at a tube as well. Here the presence of oxygen or air will be not there. It means it will be an anaerobic process. And in the test tube it start heating up to 1000 to 1400 degrees Celsius. At that temperature, the removal of all toxic gases, moisture and volatile substance, after that we will get new kinds of quality component or you can say substance as well from the coal. And what are they? First we take the coke and then we will find the coal tar and last we will find out the coal gas. And I hope that for last video, the formation of coke from the coal, it's clear to all of you, which is actually happens by the same kind of process, destructive distillation. What we actually have done here, when we start heating, or decomposition of the coal, which is taken into the pieces inside a test tube. So up to the level of 1000 or 1400 degrees Celsius, the decomposition take place of the coal and the removal of the moisture and the volatile substance, and then the last things we get in the test tube itself, it was the coke actually. The coke was the 98% of the carbon left inside it, so it became a very good fuel because more quantity of the carbon we get, it will be a good kind of fuel. So it is used as a domestic fuel. Now in the same continuation, today we will talk about the coal tar. So let's talk about first the coal tar. So during the destructive distillation of the coal, when we start distillation of it, that means the decomposition of the coal, up to the level of 1000 to 1400 degrees Celsius, when we start decomposing, the removable gas is actually drawn from a glass test tube, which is actually filled by the water. So at last we get a residue, which is actually a black tarry material. This blacky tar material is called the coal tar. Now we will talk about the coal gas. So after distillation or you can say decomposition of the coke, we get a byproduct which is actually in a gaseous form. This gaseous form is actually known as the coal gas. The main components of this coal gas is actually the methane gas, hydrogen gas, nitrogen and carbon monoxide. Since the coal gas have a high calorific value, that's why this gas is actually used as a domestic fuel. Understand the whole phenomena by a graphical representation. First of all, we need to take the pieces of the coal inside a test tube, which is actually a closed container, and we start to heating it up by a Bunsen burner. In another test tube, we take water. When we start heating it up, the all removable gases will actually go through the test tube and it will pass away through the water. The residue, or you can say the black tarry matter, we will get, which is called coal tar, like that. And the water actually we get it's called ammonical liquor, just above the coal tar. Here it is shown, the ammonical liquor. And then the all non-reactive gases actually go through this open test tube, which is actually coal gases. The coke is actually contain 90% or more than 90% of the carbon, which is actually react with the hot steam or we can say the water to form carbon monoxide, which is CO, which is actually produce the water gas, which is useful to produce the hydrogen gas as well. the coal gas. The coal gas contains mainly the methane, carbon monoxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, etc. So this will be a good fuel because it have a high calorific value. It is also used as, the coal tar is used as the dyes. Manufacture of dye, that means the colors we can make from it. Insecticides, or in medicines we have to use. Artificial yarns. So now the summary is like that. This phenomena which actually shows the distillation of the coal, where we get three kinds of thing: coke, coal gas and coal. So I hope the video representation of the same topic, destructive distillation of the coal, is very helpful to you to understand the whole process and the products we get from it, that means the coke, coal tar and the coal gases as well. If you have any concern or any related problem from this kind of concept, you can ask me on my live classes or to your respective teacher also. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you and Jai Hind.